How important is the role of eating right, exercising, and sleeping well during this period? If you
Yeah,
could.
it's
Okay,
one of
I
the
can
most.
answer.
Yeah, you can
Uh,
answer.
it's very, very important because sleeping itself is a form of relaxation. You mentally switch off. And the best thing is that if you can follow a regime, if one is sleeping, say at 9:30, one should try to sleep approximately at that time. Not take tea, coffee, all those things which can cause less of sleep. And breathing exercise, it's good for the lungs. We all know that. So if it is done in a proper way, that again has to be a proper way, and one has to know who has to do which exercise. So certain exercises should not be done if you're hypertensive or if you have some eye problems. So right things have to be done with proper advice. They would be helpful. So Neela, would you like to add something more,
Yeah,
please?
thank you, Rita, for adding all this. So, on 5th of this month, we have got the ministry's latest guidelines on home isolation as well. So, they talk particularly in context. So, isolation means already the individual is infected, and quarantine means he or she has come in contact but not infected. So, these are two differences between isolation and quarantine. But nonetheless, you see, the newer guidelines which have come out are stressing on the fact what also Dr. Anita has mentioned and emphasized for the every individual actually. That is one thing that during this time we must be stressing upon yoga, meditation, pranayams and all that, reading good material and all of that what she emphasized. In addition to that, the diet which is there, and we should not feel the person who is in isolation that he is a kind of person who is untouchable. You can do the management by wearing double mask, and the person has to be wearing double mask, and we can see him from a distance. Or there's a small child who is less than 3 years of age can also wear a mask, so that that person does not feel that he or she is isolated. Good sleep for him is important. Good nutrition, that means whatever is the balanced diet which we feel is very very important for him. Hydration, taking lot of fluids, at least 3 liters of fluids in whatever form, whether we talk of water, whether we talk of coconuts, though every coconut now is costing about 100 rupees. That is also, we have to see that it has to be within the affordable this thing. But drinking simple water or lime water and all that is very very essential. Then again, taking care of that the person we have to make sure that person is only, as Dr. Anita so nicely pointed out, that it's only just one of the viral infections, nothing else. But only thing is it is highly transmissible, so we have to take into consideration that person can do all of these things within the uh, uh, walls of his room, and but then nothing prevents him from going out if he is not coming in contact with the other individuals, close contact. But even if he's at a distance, he will make sure that his family is around. So loneliness also is one of the things which can be avoided.